Yeah, for sure.
Which way is the wind blowing? It's blowing this way. If you open it down there, then it should blow you up.
Yeah, Carmen, you don't get my mirror.
I don't want to be in it.
Okay.
So how should I do this?
Open it up.
No, yeah, but you should open it up down there. Yeah, see, it's going to blow you that way.
Oh, yeah, it's going to blow you that way. Yeah, open it till you get down there.
Yeah, get down there and it'll pull you all the way up.
Okay, get over here so you can guide yourself. Okay, ready?
Oh, it's working.
Is it working? Woo! Whoa!
Do it.
I knew it would be good.
Yeah, push it in.
It's working, it's working.
Now turn around, turn it around. Yeah, no, yeah. No, not that way. Turn it around the other way.
Whoa!
Turn it around where the wind can, yeah, like that.
Yeah, the wind's got to blow you. It's blowing this toward me. He's fighting against it right now. I can't. Yeah, like that.
See?
Look, you don't even have to roll. It's rolling you. Wait till another big puff comes along. Oh, we need a longer driveway if you move one of those cars.